Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, we doing another 30-minute meal fix. Quick, easy, jerk chicken. You see we got the grill fired up, so it's gonna be greater later, baby. So stick around. This is Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. Episode 12, jerk chicken. Hey, what's going on? Listen, so welcome back to Let's Eat. It's your boy, Chef Ray. So today, we doing jerk chicken. Here I got 6 pieces of dark meat chicken. It's been marinated overnight, and my jerk season consists of pimento, scotch bonnet, thyme, garlic, ginger, and just some good ingredients. I'm gonna hit it with some magic dust, just on the outside to make sure we get that pretty barbecue flavor, especially since it's going on the grill. Magic dust, like I say, it does magic. Make sure you get a good sprinkle on it. This chicken's been marinated overnight in this jerk seasoning, so a real light coat to get the job done. We hit it with the magic dust and just a little bit of SPG to make sure the flavor's kicked all the way up. So now that we got that done, we want to spray our grill grates. So we're working on these 30-minute meals just for people like you at home. All my jam pack cookers that ain't really got the time. You got the kids, you got to get to the gym, you got to get back on the clock. You know, it's just life, basically. So this here, it's gonna fix your problems, some of them anyway. I'm gonna do what I can. So, marinate the chicken overnight, that's easy. You can do that and go to sleep. Fire the grill up, that's another 5 minutes. Throw some match light, some type of charcoal in the grill, and get it going. But we doing jerk chicken today. I had to go the extra mile for my jam pack cookers. I went and got me some pimento wood. This is the original stuff that they use to cook this jerk chicken with. And today we chose these legs and thighs because this is a dark meat. And the dark meat gonna contain the juice, the tenderness, 30 minutes. Let's get it done. We ain't got time for all that other nonsense, you heard me? Grill Masters. It's basically canola oil. We got 30 minutes, so we don't want none sticking on this grill because we want the crispy skin with the crispification, baby. We gotta have the crispification. Listen, when you go on the grill, skin side down. And there's the sizzle, baby. We're going with the sizzle over direct heat first. 5 minutes on that side, close this grill down so you won't get your flare up. As soon as you close this grill and put out all them flames, you won't even have to worry about it. No smoke, check your grill. Might got a fire in there. Close out the grates, and as you can see, the grill's starting to smoke. The flame is up, guarantee you. With the jerk seasoning, it's simple. Let's do a simple made sauce. Let's do a quick fix sauce on this jerk chicken. We're in the smoke, baby. It's a beautiful day out today. We can deal with it. Listen, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking with my jam pack cookers. Let's get this sauce for this jam pack cookers. We ain't got but 30 minutes. So we're gonna get the Sterno 5106 fired up once again. Yep, and there it is. Like always, no problem, smooth, easy breezy. What we're gonna start out with on our sauce? Olive oil. We go with about a teaspoon of olive oil and minced garlic. We ain't got time to mince the garlic up today, so the next best thing, I recommend these people. I can't tell you what to do, but this is what I recommend. Boom, about a tablespoon of minced garlic. So we're gonna let that garlic start doing what it do, get all happy in that pan. 1 pinch of SPG, 2 pinches of magic dust, just like that. And let it bloom, baby. Let it bloom. This garlic is real happy now. Now this here, what I have is the same marinade. It's a wet marinade, wet seasoning, what I marinated the jerk in. Boom, you don't need but that much. I want you to add in your favorite barbecue sauce. This is a Big SMOKEYS house barbecue sauce. Happens to be a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, but guarantee you some good stuff. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for that also. Tablespoon apple cider vinegar, tablespoon of Worcester sauce, tablespoon of sugar. Cut your heat on low and let it do its thing. Boom. Come on, y'all, let's get to this jerk chicken. Make sure we ain't burning up over here. Now, of course, on jerk chicken, you want to see some color. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Pretty. I promise you, I ain't gonna lead you wrong, all right? That's what you want. You want to see that quick sear color, get that flavor locked in. We're gonna bring our chicken up to about I'm gonna say 150 on the chicken. At 145, you can start basting. 145, start basting the chicken. So let's get it closed out so it won't act crazy on us. It's still direct over the flames right now, but when we move it, we'll move it indirect shortly, just to get the temperature up where it needs to be and it won't burn on us. Let's go back to this sauce, baby. 30 minutes is all we got. I don't want my sauce to reduce any further. That's actually where I want it. And we all know that this jerk chicken started over in the Caribbean. Jamaica is famous for it's common in the States now. It's real common in the States. You can find it almost anywhere you find you a good Jamaican restaurant. Right now I want you to drop a comment. Let me know your favorite Caribbean dish. And if you want me to whip it up for you. Chef Ray, I got you, baby. Mr. Money, that's right. I got you. So it's been about another 5 minutes. We ain't got but 30. Get the chicken, move it indirect. Indirect means not over the charcoals. You see the charcoals and the wood down there? We don't want the chicken directly over the fire anymore. At this point, we can start basting. Listen, we're gonna come in with our sauce that we made. And that's it. And the first application of the sauce. Make sure you get a lot of this good lovey goodness on there. Set us apart from all the other jerk. Yeah, though. People, you gotta know how to laugh in life. Y'all probably say, you always laughing and smiling. I'm high off life right now, you hear me? Life is good. Even when we think life is not good, it's great actually. There's always somebody else with a little bit more hill that's inclined than yours. It's an uphill battle every day. The same old, you can't go no more. Just look over and you'll know how blessed you is. There's always somebody with a hill that's a little bit more steeper than yours. If you're enjoying yourself like I am, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause Chef Ray always jamming and cooking and high off life with these 30-minute meals for my fast-paced people. With the chicken being indirect now, what we want to do is open the vents on your grill. If you got a gas grill, kick it up a notch. If you was cooking it low to medium, I want you to cook it medium to high. Because we want the heat to go ahead and set the sauce on the chicken. What I mean by set, you want that tacky. You want that when you bite into it to be out. You know how that go, man. Get your paper towels and your napkins and all that good stuff. So it's been about another 5 minutes, actually. Let's flip the chicken and get the other side basted with the sauce, with the goodness. Want to make sure we saucing up all sides of this chicken. We got that side sauced up. Let's get this back closed. And it's still not indirect, but we did move our chicken closer to the heat just to keep the process rolling. And that's it. 30-minute meals, baby. Done. We're done. Jerk chicken, legs, thighs, all dark meat. We whipped us up some rice and peas. Listen, good people, with jerk chicken, you gonna have to get messy, okay? Come here. You see this? Got the grill marks. Baby, come here. That's lip smacking, finger licking. You gotta try it with the rice and peas. It don't get no better than that for me. Y'all go try this recipe. Today, that's all we got, good people. I love you for watching. I appreciate everything you do for the channel. I want you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you, my jam-packed cooker, will know every time we're jamming and cooking. Until next time, peace and love. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Jerk chicken.